What's up, CJ Mob? Coming back with another prank video. So today, I'm gonna prank Nate again. Nathan is gonna be eating dog food, okay? So we just got a new dog. So she got this dog bowl right here, right? You know, dog bowl, you know, regular stuff. And then it clicked in my head, those kinda look like Cocoa Puffs. You know what I'm saying? Nathan's favorite cereal, Cocoa Puffs. Now the thing with Nate is this. Every single time that I tell him let's play Call of Duty, the man makes a bowl of cereal. I don't know why, not my business at all. But the thing is, this time he gonna make some cereal and it's gonna be dog food. Let me show y'all how it's gonna go. So this is how it's gonna go. I emptied out the bag of Cocoa Puffs. This the bag right here. This the box right here. I emptied out the box, right? Poured them all in here, cause you know, niggas ain't finna waste no good ass cereal, bro. Yeah, so we got the dog food right here. I'm about to put the dog food. I'm gonna put the dog food into the bag. Put the bag back in the box. So when I get him to pour the cereal, I'm gonna record his reaction. He gonna be eating dog food, y'all. Man, let's go crazy. All right, I need y'all, before we even do this, hit that like button, man. Smash the subscribe button, retweet it, share it, everything, okay? CJ Mob, stay mobbing. All right, man, we finna get to this, man. Niggas be tweaking, but we really finna do it, man. Where can I put y'all skills? Y'all see, it's dog food. Hopefully since like he But hopefully since we playing Call of Duty, you know, it's the eyes on you, be paying attention and shit. He ain't gonna notice that shit, so we good. He gonna be eating dog food. I'm down laughing. I did this for CJ Mob. He gonna be mad as fuck. I don't care. I'm finna start it. He's finna get his ass. Alright, so every time I put in Call of Duty, like I said, I don't know if I said it before, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm putting in Call of Duty. He always wanna make some cereal and stuff. So I'm putting in Call of Duty. 9 times out of 10, he gonna say he wanna make some cereal, especially since I got the cereal sitting right there in front of his spot of the TV. It's gonna be smooth. We go downstairs, grab this chair, bring it back up, hop in Call of Duty, tell him come play. I'll be right back. Alright, so we finna start the prank right now. Watch this. Nate! Yeah. Come up. Play a dude. Play a dude? Yeah. That'd be me making y'all do that. Play, nigga. I'm trying to keep my kitty up, man. You got this in my bed. You should have played downstairs if you don't play split screen this TV. I was thinking that, but I was like, nah. They did it. No. You can play like Cocoa Puffs. Come on for Cocoa Puffs. Man, you had half the box. Yeah, I would. Oh, you know I gotta motherfucker eat this one. You gotta eat some while you playing the game. Alright, so he just went to go get his bowl for the Cocoa Puffs. Hey, get this video, bro. I'm trying to get a lot of likes, bro. This nigga finna be mad as hell, T. Alright, come on, man. CJ Mob, we never gonna stop. Y'all see how fucked up. I forgot to put the box of cereal back over there. I was too happy and shit, but quick recovery.
Come on, man.
I only need that one pass though.
I'm saying, but I got.
Let me get my sports.
Maybe you want to
Damn, you want to help me capture the flag, bro? You wild.
I'm a slayer, boy.
You wild. Ain't nobody else.
Call me Alkin Skumpy.
Ain't nobody
Call
else.
me Skump.
Bet.
Call me Skump.
That was me, bro. We not on the same team.
Damn, I just worked your ass.
Oh, because you changed the game mode after.
Get on my team.
No, you changed the game mode, so ain't no bot.
Ain't no bots.
Because you changed the game mode after I,
Oh, we just like.
that's not it. But it's sweet. I wanted them. I got my flag. I got my flag.
What the fuck?
What?
What the fuck?
What?
Fuck.
What the fuck?
Fuck, what is this, bro? What you on? It tastes like mud.
It was dog food. But he ate it?
Yeah, he ate it.
Oh. Oh. You wasting milk?
Coming to life, bro. Coming to life, bro.
Oh, your ass a lame, bro.
It's a break, bro.
Well, you could probably die from that shit or something, boy.
Boy, Lisa can eat it, you can eat it,
Boy,
bro.
I'm not no damn dog, boy. I should snake knock your motherfucking hands up, boy.
You mad, bro. You mad, bro.
Boy, that's I'm finna brush my teeth.
Bro, it's dog food, bro. It's still food.
It's in my teeth.
It's still food, though. All right, CJ, bro, we got the mans to eat some dog food, G.
I'm
That's
on
all
the
for the
way.
video, G. He over there scrubbing away, bro. I tell him, G, you gonna try to get me back?
Shut
I don't think he about it. I don't think he about it. He ain't gonna try to get me back. Hold on, let me see. I mean, that's 2 in a row, bro. When you gonna try to get me back?
On your way.
That's 2 in a row, bro. But alright, CJ Ma, that's all for the video. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment on everything. Hit me up on Twitter. Make sure y'all retweet, share. Nate mad as hell. Look at him. Nate mad as hell. But alright, let's go. CJ Ma, stay mobbing. Let's go.
And we be steady mobbing. Walk him aside, baby. Falling is my hobby.